In front of me is Realme C51, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to find Clock app and tap on it. Then choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner and tap on those three dots at the top right one. Now click on Settings and adjust all of those under Alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you finish, go back, and to create new alarm, tap on this plus. Firstly, you need to set up an hour. You can always change it later on. Then hit OK at the bottom right corner of Select Time pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. At the top, you can click on Add Label. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and tap on OK. Now click on days of the week that you wish to set up, like Mondays and Fridays, and tap on this little plus next to Pause Alarm to exclude the chosen ones. For example, I don't want my alarm to ring next Monday. When you finished, hit OK. If you can't do it, you need to remember to pick 2 days. You can always disable this option by clicking on this little line next to Paused Alarm. By tapping on the same plus, this time next to Google Assistant Routine, you can add it or remove it from it. Now click on Little Bell. Select one of those sources or hit Dismiss. And now click on one of those sound sources at the top. By tapping on Spotify or YouTube Music, you will be able to log in to your accounts and use music from them. By tapping on Sounds though, you can click on Add New under your sounds. Tap on any song from your smartphone and this way set it up. If you don't want to do any of that, just click on one of those sounds from the long list of available ones, like summer. When you're done, go back. Now, by tapping on this icon next to Vibrate, you can disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. To hide all of those options, click on the top right corner of it. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To switch it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can switch it back on the same way. To access all of its settings, click on the top right corner again. Then you can change wherever you wish to. In order to get rid of your alarm, select Delete at the bottom left corner of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!